Come test drive the 2018 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom, as well as an authoritative 5.4-liter 3-valve V8 flex fuel engine. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, keyless entry, power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.